as much as we can, we think ICF projects perform better than a lot of their other options. So from a energy efficiency standpoint, from a building insulation standpoint, from an infiltration standpoint and mitigating those issues, we find that that product works really well. The misconception, I think, is that it's expensive. But I've seen on at least 2 occasions, if not more, where we designed buildings that were ICF construction and everyone was very afraid that we were going to blow the budget, and they came in way under because I think we had contractors who knew what they were doing and saw the benefit in installing it that way. It's a simple enough system, and when it's done well, it holds up, it's resilient, it's got thermal mass, it's got acoustic properties that some of the other assemblies don't have. I did the first zero energy, well-certified, LEED platinum building in the world, but they didn't do ICF. And we got it to where it needed to be, but it was a battle. That building, when we pressure tested, it started at like a 0.4 CFM per square foot leakage rate. We've seen ICF jobs test at a 0.03. So that's a 90-something% reduction. So we just see consistently that when we pressure test an ICF building, we have a much lower leakage rate than when we do other building assemblies. We like to mess in other people's business a little bit because when we're doing high performance building design, you can't come in after the fact and try to start changing people's minds. So for us, we like to get in really at the beginning of the project and start to influence those design decisions, whether it's building orientation, types of glazing, where it's going to sit, and building envelope is one of them. If we're doing a high performing building, we want something that we know is going to be thermally sound. In schools, acoustics is really important. But I think the big thing for us really is the infiltration rate. Can we keep air from leaking in or leaking out of the building? So yeah, we like to push for ICF where we can get it because we know it works.